Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen and welcome to the new subscribers. The secret to this sandwich is the sauce. So keep watching because it is very easy to make. And so I have here two hake fillets. It's a white fish with very little fat and very affordable. The prep is very simple. I add salt on both sides of the fish and that's pretty much it. You can add more things if you want, but the sauce is going to add most of the flavor that complements the hake. And it will be super yummy and better than eating out. While you are here, hit the subscribe button. I have over 200 recipes in my channel, but let's go back to the cooking. What I am doing next is beating one egg, and I have some all-purpose flour. I put the fish through the flour first, then through the egg, and I repeat. Before coating the fish, I crush two garlic cloves and saute them with the skin on. I'm just flavoring the oil. Those garlic cloves can be used later on for something else. Now I cook the fish for 1 minute on each side at medium or medium-high heat. Put them on paper towels to get rid of the excess oil, and I move on to the sauce. My first secret ingredient is shellfish broth or fish broth. It is homemade and you can use fish broth as well. Either one works really well. The idea is to reduce it to concentrate the flavors. I am not adding any salt because it already has some salt. Put half a cup of the broth on a saucepan, and when it starts a soft boil, add the second secret ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of brandy. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes until all the alcohol has evaporated, and taste it. You don't want to taste the alcohol. I reduced it by 2/3 and removed it from the heat to cool down. And everyone has the last ingredient at home. It is just plain mayo. And what you want to do is add the reduced fish broth into the mayo a little bit at a time to flavor it until it turns into a creamy sauce. Last, I just have to make the sandwich. I am using a toasted bolillo roll because it is light, it's a light bread, and I will end up with a juicy and crunchy sandwich. Let me know in the comments if you found this recipe helpful. If you have any doubts, please ask me. And that's all. Chaito.